My name is National Otieno Dual. I stay in Mombasa, Chuda Estate. Gift is my child. They were traveling from Changamwe to town. When they reached Kibarani, the vehicle rolled and went into the sea. So the child managed to get out of the car, swim, and I'm thankful to God that the child is alive. Unfortunately, he lost the mother. Right now, as we are speaking, the mother is right now at Coast General Hospital. Yeah, that's all I know about the child. But it's a miracle. Thank God for the miracle, for saving the child. Thank you very much.
The child swam at the distance of how many meters?
Around 20-30 meters, because immediately after the car skid from the road, it was around about 20 meters from the edge of the road. So when it went the sea, it's around 20 to 30 meters.
Can you explain the exact place where it sank, where the place, the bridge or something like that?
This is at Kibarani, immediately after Kenyamiti, if you know where Kenyamiti is, Makupa Causeway. So this accident happened at Makupa Causeway. Yeah.